Hello everyone, it's Maddie and
Madison
with Spectrum Art, and we wanted to share with you our latest creation. It is the Wizard of Oz trifold Waterfall album. Wow, don't say that 2 or 3 times in a row. Okay, but this is one of Rosie Posey's kits that we purchased. Actually, we purchased it a few months back, but then we just didn't get around to actually doing it until just now. So we decided to go with the Wizard of Oz. And here's what we've got. We got our front cover, and on it, yes, we've got a big old sticker of Dorothy and Glinda the Good Witch, and it says there's no place like home. Then we've got the what are they called? Posies? Poppies? Poppies, okay. And then Madison made this cute little charm dangle, and it's got the same thing, the flower, and then an emerald gemstone, and then the gold, which is throughout the album. And the way that this opens is we went ahead and created raised hinge doorknob type of closure with this like emerald-like looking stone. And it opens that way. This is the back. They're off to see the wizard. And then it opens here. And then it opens here to reveal the beautiful waterfall cascade effect for your mats. And again, these can be used. Yes, I'll get to your sides. Don't worry, honey. Give me 1 second. We used several different paper packs. Actually, let me show you. This is, well, we don't have much left, but this is what we use, is the paper house. It's called the Wizard of Oz. We still have some of the gold stickers left. This is the paper pack, or the pages that come with it, and it included the stickers, which you see right there are the ones that we use, these, and the one in the front, and then that little gold one, which is this, that's still left in here. And we got this from, where did we get this from? We got this from Scraporium, I believe, yes. And I still have another sheet here that we haven't used. So we'll see if we actually continue, because we still have a little bit. I think I have 2 sheets of paper left in this pack. And then I did buy 2 kits from Etsy. And we still have these 2. So we might do something else, because this turned out so very cute. And we love the Wizard of Oz, and we hope you guys do too. So here's what we've got as far as the paper is concerned. Hang on, baby. Let's just flip through it, and you'll see there's the yellow brick road. This says, oh, let me bring this down, make sure I'm in frame. This says Oz. Here's a page from the book. The slippers. The poppies. Follow the yellow brick road. They're going down the yellow brick road now. Here's the red ruby slippers. Some more emerald. The scarecrow. Here's the witch and the flying monkeys. They always creep me out. Oh, by the way, I broke my nail the other night. So I finally cut them all off and went fall. So hopefully you guys like them. We've got Dorothy. It does feel weird though, not having nails, to be honest with you. It's been so long. Here's the sheet music for the Wizard of Oz. The balloon. There's no place like home. Emerald. Somewhere over the rainbow. And here's the sheet music for it. Toto. Tin Man. More of the Tin Man. Here's some of the more of the poppy flowers. A straw. This is my favorite page because it's got Glinda and it's pink. So this kind of worked out because I love the pink and Madison loved the green, so it was a good combination. Here's another book page that's been, I downsized and resized, excuse me, and printed and distressed. And here's the, it says Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It's part of the house and the tornado. And then this one says, I'll get you, my pretty. And it's got the, yeah, I can't say it without doing the voice. I'll get you, my pretty. And, and it's got the hats on there for the witch, and there she is. This one's the lion with the courage badge. And then they're off to see the wizard again. And so we've got 1, 2, well, let's count them this way. Let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Did I count that right? Oh goodness, I hope so. 31. I'll put it down in the description. I don't even know what I counted. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so Now we get to the sides, which is what Madison was dying to get to, because this is her creation here on the sides. So she went ahead and did the 4 pockets, which came in the kit. And by the way, the kit originally came the way that Rosie sells her kits, and she sold this one to me. It came with like fabric and lace and blings and all kinds of things for you to basically put it together. But I just noticed my nails match the checker thing. Look at that. How funny is that? Oh my. I am so easily amused. Okay. Madison's looking at me. Oh my goodness, like I'm crazy. Seriously, come here, look. Look at my nails. They match.
Are you just joking
I'm not joking. It wasn't intentional. That's too funny. It's part of a Jamberry kit, but it actually matches the plaid. Anyway, Madison made these pockets. She went ahead and used the Oz. It says Oz on here. Emerald green. Then she did red for the red ruby slippers, and then she did yellow and gold for the yellow brick road. So she put some washi here, right, Madison? This was washi? Yes, okay. And then what did you do here?
Embossed it.
You embossed it using one of the Sizzix, yes. Yeah, the folders, right. So she embossed it using one of the folders. Then she went ahead and punched out little circles out of cardstock, glitter cardstock for the red ruby slippers. And then she attached a yellow ribbon so that it would, you know, be the yellow brick road. So she's got all 3 colors represented, the green, the red, and the yellow on here, and the blue, excuse me, I forgot. So all 4 colors. And so these turned out to be totally cute. And then she went ahead and put the stickers from the pack, 1 in each pocket. So that worked out perfect because there were 4 small ones and then 1 big one. And so there we go. It is ready to be used to put poems and pictures and gift cards, whatever it is, you know, memorabilia, whatever it is that, you know, somebody would like to utilize for. But I will put Rosie's information down below. She does not have a YouTube channel. She sells her kits mostly on Laurel's live show and also on Facebook. I know she has a Facebook page, but they go super fast. They sell out every month, and she only makes a limited quantity every month. So I was so happy when we were able to purchase this one. I know last couple of months she's done a Tussie Mussy, and then she did, what was her last one, Madison? Honey, stop scratching. Sorry, my dog is scratching back there. What was Miss Rosie's last kit?
Oh,
maybe it was a Tussie Mussy. Okay. Maybe. Anywho, she does amazing kits every single month. And so you do, if you like stuff like this, that's already, and the reason why we love it is because it takes out all the work out of it, guys. We get to do the fun part, which is the decorating, but we don't have to do the measuring and the cutting and all that stuff. Her kits come, you know, fully ready to be assembled, basically. But we did change the paper line on this one and kind of went with our own take on it. But again, the work was minimal because the skeleton was already all built for us. So super fun to do. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hope you guys like the Wizard of Oz as much as we do. Actually, Madison's the real fan. So she's the one that bought the paper pack and wanted to really get into it and make it look all pretty. But definitely one of my favorites as a child growing up too. So we hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Have a blessed day.